Hello friends. Today again I have came here with a new trade that I think it will have huge momentum in the next 3 to 5 days. Friend, this share is basically Inox Leisure. So before discussing its price action, I would like to discuss about its fundamentals so that if as we know that the Nifty is very much weak as of nowadays because from 2 to 3 days it is consistently moving downward. So before initiating any trade, now we should keep our position in such a way so that even if the Nifty crashes, then also we can able to quickly avoid our losses. So friends, let's move to the stock analysis. So Inox Laser, it basically depends means this is basically sector is media and entertainment, and as of we know that due to COVID the media and entertainment share price has been deeply impacted, and obviously in future it may recover, but as of now there is a less chances of recovering of this sector. Okay, now is about market capitalization is 3843 crore and is currently trading at 312 price. Friends, you can see here the earning per share of this company as it is 27.60 and it is in a negative figure. So means earning per share it is deriving from its revenue is very much negative. So this basically indicate a negative way of the company. And its book value is also 76.27, and if I talk about its price book value it is 4.12, which is very much expensive share to buy. So friends, I will not recommend you here to invest on this stock, rather you can play swing trading, which is approximately holding for a few days and then squaring off your positions. Okay, so this is Inox Laser. Well, I will definitely suggest you to buy above 315. The reason behind this is very simple, as it has given a breakout on 4th of June as you can see, and there is a huge price momentum, and the volumes are also huge as you can see, but yeah, it is not that much big volume where it has given a breakout, and again it has retested now as of 17 June, that is today. So friend, there is a chances days it will again move up. Okay, and in that case it can give you a profit. So if you are entering at this particular trade, then your stop loss should be strictly at 310, which is quite this you have to follow, as the stop loss is very much useful in case you are taking any trade, because even if as we know of the condition of market right now. Okay, so we should put our stop loss in a proper way, otherwise there is a more chances that we could have lost our capital. So in order to keep our capital intact and protected, we should place the stop loss at the proper direction, and you should definitely enter at 315, because see, this is basically a retest point and it has the market has closed at the same retest from where it has given a breakout. So chances is there, if tomorrow it opens on a positive note, then there you can see that this stock can make a new high. Okay, so friends, that's all. And before going, I would like to add a disclaimer here that if you are executing any trade, then it is advisable to make your own analysis and not to blindly follow on others tips and tricks. This I am providing this trade because I feel that it will have huge momentum in next to 2 to 3 days. Obviously this is not advisable from me to hold for a long term, because I have already discussed with you about the fundamental of this stock, which is quite depressible. So friend, that's all. Thank you.